Alright, yo. I just got these in. I don't know if anyone's gonna make a video on it, so I decided to make it myself. They came in a FedEx bag. And then... Where's the box? They were in that box right there. Inside the FedEx bag. So I thought it was just wrapped around this box. But it was double box, so that's pretty cool. It's just a logo on there. With the size tag. But here they are. I was surprised I got the laces because I heard they're only in some of the boxes. But this is my first time taking them out. I don't know if I can do this one hand. Oh, it's a zip. Alright, the audio is trash. I don't know what I'm saying. But I'll just do a voiceover. So we're just looking at the shoe, you know, the quality, everything. I don't really know what to say. I don't do these videos, okay? This is my first video. Opening a shoe on camera. I thought these were pretty cool. I saw the ad on Instagram back in maybe April, and they came out I think March 5th. I ordered them and they finally got here today, the 28th of May. So almost 3 months it took to get here, but I feel like it was worth it. And the people that made this, or the manufacturer, they have a Discord server where they showed the whole process, like the factory in China making the shoe and all the... They were even letting us give input on the color of the brown, like the brown suede. I thought that was a pretty cool idea. It's pretty much just I guess if you're not into shoes, this is based on a Travis Scott Jordan 1 model, the low mocha Travis model. Just with the Bape branding and the Bape star logo on the outer and I think medial side is what's called, the inside. But yeah, it came with red and pink laces and an extra pair of black laces. I don't know why, but I think I much prefer the look of the red laces over any other color, because with these red accents over the shoe, it kind of goes together, kind of brings a look together without just being like a boring, without just having the black laces in. But yeah, there's a size tag. It's pretty basic. Okay, here I took out the insole to just show you the quality of it. Just like a basic foam insert. It's pretty thin. The logo is pretty nice on it. I love the look of loose lacing with laces, but with these, I was walking around and my foot was starting to flop out the back, so I had to tighten them. But they look really good with loose lace. So if your size is perfect on you, I guess it'll fit better with the loose laces, but it didn't work for me. And then this next shot is with the laces tied. Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. If you want to check out the company that made these, I'll put the link in the description. They're called Indigo Studios, and their Instagram is Indigo Studios LA. I'll put that in the description, and I'll probably put it on the screen right now too. So yeah, this is my first time making a video like this of unboxing some shoes, but I thought it was pretty fun to do. So maybe I'll do this next time I get some new shoes. So yeah.
Goodbye.